morning. We're going into day 9. Again, today we are opening right now in the next 7 minutes, right at the pivot. The pivot is right here, 951 1/4. And you can see here the last 2 days, again, the range has been tightened down. We keep bouncing off 56. We cannot go over this 956 area until we do. As I've said for the last 2 days of videos, you really don't want to be long. You're chasing here otherwise. Again, the pivot today, 51 1/4. You want to be short below, say 49 1/4. That would be below our overnight lows and below the pivot. You can see here on this chart that we've drawn here the last 2 days. Again, 10-minute charts. We just keep banging here. We keep banging, and we continue to be in a bearish bent. So we are swing trading to the short side. We keep selling up there towards 56. We've done it probably 2 or 3 times, covering down here in the high 40s. A partial, keep putting it back on until, again, it's basically a free trade with a stop over 58. Over 58, you would want to be long. So that's it right now. Oil this morning trading down 75 cents. BKX was up a little yesterday, about 34 cents. Goldman Sachs still hanging around 160. Everything is just kind of spinning in place. The VIX 23.47 yesterday on a close. Bounced a little bit into the close. 23.24 was the low. Again, I continue to think you can buy probably some call options, August call options, and get some type of bounce here on the VIX, as we've just been dripping here, and we're getting well below the 40-period average, and I think we should retrace to that. That average right now is about 28.50 on the VIX. So keep an eye out for that, for some bounce and volatility here in the near future. Again, transportation index is really not doing its thing. It has also not made new highs, much like the banks. So transportation and banks are just kind of hanging in there, not making new highs, although the indexes are making new highs at this point. Dow Jones sitting right around 8,900, pushing to 9,000, getting everybody all heated and excited. That has made a new high, but again, S&P sitting at its high, has not gotten back to the 1,000 level yet. So this next area we need to get over, again, is still that 58 area. If we get over 58, we should run to 958. We should run to 1,000. If not, maybe we've got a leg down first, maybe to that, as we suggested a few days ago, back down to that 925 area. But the cards have yet to be played. Again, we're sitting right on the pivot. The chart here, if you look at a 10-day chart, again, we went from 865 all the way up here to 957 area, just shy of 957, and it's been now 3 days of us just sitting here at the top. So it's time to make a move. This market, again, coming into tomorrow's information on the econ front, there's not a lot happening out there, but it's time for us to get moving here pretty soon. So have a great trading day. Again, sitting right at the pivot. Get short 2 points below, get long 2 points above as we get into a half hour above the day, and we'll go from there. That's it. Keep it simple, and have a great trading day. Enjoy your summer. It was great getting out there and playing golf yesterday. Didn't miss anything the last half of the day. I didn't think we would. Market played out just as we thought. Range bound, going nowhere quick. Today we'll see if we can break out of this range and move to the downside. Again, we're locked in this 940 to 956 area. Until that changes, trade it as such. Peace. Have a great morning, and we'll talk soon.